Before Monday market open, before you decide what to buy or sell next week, for few minutes, just search market crash on YouTube and see market psychology. Almost all market participants they are max bearish on stock market. If YouTube influencer psychology is your next economic indicator, then based on sentiment, the sentiment right now they are minus infinity. Before Monday market open, everyone expecting Black Monday, repeat of 1987, a market crash. So, like I expected, what you saw last week, market crash, big margin selling in gold, and gold goes down. Because when market crashed last Friday, gold also crashed at the same time, and that was just margin selling. So if trap selling come on Monday open, because you have to watch Asian market, then in the end New York market open. But Monday I think that will be trap selling. But if in opening, if they sell again to trap beginner, the selling pressure will again hit gold, but below 3015 support area. That will be scalp buying opportunity, and next support will be 2957. But how low market go, we have to see Monday market open, Asia first, then New York later. But market did same to same like book, copy paste, 5 impulsive wave, then AVC correction up to 4th wave. So our premium user get advanced warning. Market did almost same. Low was 3015, almost there psychological 3000 level. Market raised back to 4th wave low. But now if you have selling entry, then stock market crash directly affecting gold price. Next week, then selling pressure in gold can decrease, and because of that gold can do big upside correction on intraday chart. So trade with bullish bias on 3015 or below that level, but use small position because New York open, if it gap down to trap, then selling pressure can return in gold in beginning, but later it will reverse. And once counter trend correction start in gold, we don't know how high it will go. So you do not take profit on that buying entry. Wait minimum 3100. Because next selling pressure in gold again depend on stock market. When next bearish leg come in stock market, gold will go down again. Or before that, if CPI and PPI again show downtick this week, then second inflation wave, which UBS Bank think 5%, JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs indirectly saying second inflation wave with their 4000 gold target. Then next downtick in CPI PPI, that will be big risk for second inflation wave. So 3015 big support level. Below that level do not sell, trade with bullish bias. Next support 2957. In case of upside correction, manage your risk up to 3100.